Are you looking for a cool towel for the pool, beach, or boat? How about a towel that doubles as a backpack? In this episode, we're talking about Head Sports Adventure Backpack Towel. Hi, I'm Tom Burns from Otter Ventures Diving. On this channel, we talk about scuba diving gear and water sports gear, mainly from the Head's Maurice line. If you'd like to know more about this cool 2-in-1 towel, stick around. This is the Head Adventure Towel. It's a backpack. Comes in two colors, lilac and navy. Drawstring tie. Open it up. It's got plenty of room for things like snacks, water bottle, sunglasses, and whatever. So to get the towel, you just pull from the inside of the bag, the backpack section of it. It's microfiber cloth. It's 30 by 60. Fast dry. Easily to use. It's about as far as I can stand back with the space that I have. But there you go. Back it back up. You can store things in the bag that's there, but the straps get turned on the inside. You basically turn the bag inside out. Hold shut. It's got a little handle here if you want to hang it from something. You can do it that way. But this is the Head Adventure Backpack Towel. Head Water Sports is changing to Maurice Snorkeling. Maurice is a division of Head Sports. To find your local dealer using your favorite browser, enter maurice.com. In the desktop browser, in the top right, click on Find a Retailer. On mobile, click on the menu. From the drop-down, click on Find a Retailer. If you have geolocation turned on the page, it'll show you all the Head Maurice dealers near you. If you don't, enter your zip code, city, and state, and you'll get your results. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you want to be notified when new videos are uploaded, hit the subscribe button. There's also a link here for another video you might like. Thanks for watching.